Welcome to CRMPlus video tutorial. To send out email with rich text and pictures, first we create templates. With these templates, we can then use them to create emails. In this tutorial, we will go through with you on how to create a new email template which consists of rich text and pictures. We will also go through with you on other functions like creating a template from an existing one, editing, renaming, and deleting templates. From the home window, click at this email tab. Click at this email rich text and pictures button. Then click at this button to open the design email template window. Now we can start creating a template by clicking at this button here. From this little window, we key in a template name. We will now see the template name we keyed in earlier appears here. Over here, we have buttons, which allow us to select elements to include in the template. We have 3 buttons for text and 5 buttons for pictures. By clicking a button, say the first text button, we include a text element into our email template. To remove the element from the template, just click at the button again. Similarly, we can include a picture element by clicking at the picture button. For text element, it has blue borders. For picture element, it has red borders. Now, let's include a text element and enter some rich text. Unlike plain text, we can format a color, font size, etc. for the text. To change the color and font size of the text for the word CRMPlus, we highlight the text. A small text formatting window appears. From here, we change the color and font size. We can change the height and width of this element. To increase the height, press at this button. To decrease the height, press here. Increase the width, press here. And decrease the width, press here. We can increase the speed of changing height or width by pressing the Ctrl key and one of the buttons here at the same time. For example, to increase the height at a faster speed, we press Ctrl key and this button at the same time. Now, we want to add 2 picture elements. We click at this and this buttons. To add a picture to this element, click at it. It will be highlighted with red border. And click at this button to open up this window. We then select the picture we want. We now do the same thing for the second picture element. Now, resize the border so that it covers the pictures without any white space around them. This is to ensure the pictures in the email when sending out are not distorted. The pictures are left aligned, but in the email we send, it will automatically center aligned. When a picture is highlighted with red border, like this one, the hyperlink field appears. This is for entering a URL. It can be a URL of a web page or a video clip in YouTube. With the URL entered, the picture will have a link to the URL, meaning the recipient of the email can click at the picture to go to the linked URL. We can add or remove the elements by clicking at the buttons here. The pink boxes here are for salutation and sign off. They will be taken care by CRMPlus to generate the necessary salutation and sign off. The default value for the activity is send email. You can change it if you like. The email subject field is a compulsory field. To add attached files to the template, click here and select the file to add. We can add up to 6 attached files. To remove the attached file, click here again and click cancel. Now we can view how the email looks like by clicking at this button. Before we click at the button, run the MS Outlook first. Click Save to save the template. Now let's see how to create a template from an existing one. First, go to the Design Email Template window. From here, we choose an existing template, then click at the Save As button. We now change the name to a new name. Then click OK. Now we have created another template exactly the same as the first one. We can make changes for this new template. After the modification, click here to save. We can rename a template. To do that, select a template to rename. Click here at this rename button. Enter a new name. Then click OK. To delete a template, select a template to delete. Click at the delete button. To edit an existing template, select a template to edit. Make the changes. Then click at the Save button to save.